Hi, it's HardReset and today I'm gonna show you how to fix phone heating while charging on Nokia 5.3. So first thing, remember that it's completely normal for your phone to heat while charging. It's just how it works. But we can minimize this heating. So first, close all the background apps. I don't have any, so I'm gonna open some just to show you. Yeah, just close all the background apps. Next thing is to use the original charger and cable. Then avoid using phone while charging. Just turn it off, leave it and let it charge. Next thing is to take off the case of your phone. I don't have case, but if you have, then it's better to just take it off. And last thing, it's to charge in a cool and ventilated area. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.